Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 11th of February, 2025, our system has ranked Intel as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.76. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 22.63% since we first listed Intel as a buy candidate 6 days ago. This translates to an average return of 3.77% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the upper end of a very broad and declining trend in the short term. This situation often presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a movement back towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. If the stock breaks above the upper trend line at $27.37, it will initially indicate a slower rate of decline and could signal the beginning of a trend reversal. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of about 4.41% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decrease of 32.24% to an increase of 1.74%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential decline of 46.15% over the next year, with possible returns between a decrease of 82.39% and a decrease of 42.83%. This range translates to a projected price between $4.53 and $14.70 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Intel features the headline, "Is Intel stock still a buy after falling 6.12% on Wednesday?" The Intel stock price decreased by 6.12% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, dropping from $27.39 to $25.72. During this trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 3.42%, with a low of $25.46 and a high of $26.33. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and has risen by 33.31% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, volume decreased on the last day along with the stock price, which is generally considered a favorable indication, as volume should ideally align with stock performance. On that day, trading volume fell by 125 million shares, with a total of 149 million shares bought and sold for approximately $3.82 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $46.63, while the lowest was $18.51. Currently, the price stands 44.85%, or $20.91 below the 52-week high, and 62.89%, or $43.58 below the all-time high, which was on January 24, 2020, when the price peaked at $69.29. Intel Corporation, trading under the ticker symbol INTC, is currently navigating a turbulent market landscape. As of today, the stock has seen a decline, with shares down approximately 5.6% amid growing bearish sentiments reflected in options trading. Analysts are discussing the potential benefits of Intel spinning off its foundry business, a move that could rectify ongoing struggles and drive long-term value if executed effectively. Recent news indicates a possible split of Intel's operations, with semiconductor giants Broadcom and TSMC reported to be in talks for a significant restructuring of the company. This rumor spurred a notable bounce in Intel's stock, which had surged over 10% earlier this week before its current pullback. Such merger and acquisition discussions, if confirmed, could lead to improved operational focus and efficiency, positively impacting market perception and potentially setting a strong foundation for future growth. Additionally, it is worth noting that former Intel executives have successfully raised $21.5 million for a new chip startup, pointing to industry dynamics that could challenge Intel's market position in critical technological segments. Overall, the ongoing discussions about Intel's restructuring, along with the challenges posed by emerging competitors, create a dual scenario for investors: short-term volatility driven by market reactions and long-term implications based on strategic decisions regarding the company's business model. How these elements play out will be pivotal for Intel's future valuation and market stability. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 18th of February, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Intel Corporation a neutral grade with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 31st of January, 2025, Cowen & Company reported giving Intel Corporation a hold grade along with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 2nd of December, 2024, Bernstein assigned Intel Corporation a market perform grade with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 17th of October, 2024, Goldman Sachs reported a sell grade for Intel Corporation along with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 3rd of October, 2024, Wedbush assigned Intel Corporation an equal weight grade with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Intel stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as buy. For return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Intel. Intel's stock displays buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. Additionally, there is a general buy signal reflecting that the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support levels are observed at $23.44 and $20.72. A decline below either of these levels could trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. However, some negative signals have emerged, which could impact the near-term developments. A sell signal was registered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, February 18, 2025, and since then, the stock has experienced a decline of 6.12%. Additional declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. The volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands provided a buy signal 4 days ago. The short-term moving average generated a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages resulted in a buy signal 5 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average produced a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages generated a buy signal 42 days ago. For more signals and information, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support risk and stop loss for Intel. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at 24.13 and 23.60. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Intel finds support just below today's level at 24.13. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $23.60 and $20.80. This stock may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved 87 cents between high and low, or 3.42%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 8.56%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Intel, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important figure measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is in a loss position. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 24th of April, 2025. Analysts have set their consensus estimates at 1 cent. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intel. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $27.39. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Intel encounters its first support level at $24.13. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Intel from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let us examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Zinsner David, who bought and sold 121,955 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 2.90. Overall, insiders purchased 335,826 shares and sold 356,697 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $24.29, reflecting a decrease of 5.54%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. A sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Despite the stock being in a downward trend, several short-term signals are indicating positivity. We believe the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the stock to perform well in the short term. Our analysis has been upgraded since the last evaluation, moving from a hold or accumulate recommendation to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 20th of February, we anticipate Intel to open up 12 cents and begin trading at $25.84. Please remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.